Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first video of festive series, and let's inaugurate this festive series with the review of Minimalist Salicylic Plus LHA 2% Cleanser. So let's begin. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon to see more such review videos. And yeah, let's get into the video. Let's see what the brand claims about this product. So the brand claims that this is a daily use gentle exfoliating cleanser. This does deep cleaning, this does pore decongestion, this also reduces the sebum without drying out the skin. Like this all are the claims that the brand has mentioned on their website as well. I have been using this product since 5 weeks now and I have my conclusion ready. Let's talk about the packaging first. I really like their packaging because this is the outer packaging. Now here comes this intermediate packaging, and then inside this is the inner packaging. This two outer packaging and intermediate packaging is so that जब delivery के time पे product जो है वो damage ना हो जाए, which I really like. So let's talk about the inner packaging. Now this comes in this plastic bottle with this flip cap. Personally speaking, it's a personal taste. I would prefer a glass bottle over a plastic packaging and also with a pump dispenser in it. But keeping the price point in mind, I don't mind. I don't have any complaint with the packaging. As we are discussing about the price, let's talk about the price of this. 100 ml of this retails for rupees 299, which is affordable. Keeping in mind that you will not be able to complete this within 1 month. So keeping that in mind, it is affordable. As the name suggests, this is salicylic plus LHA 2% cleanser. So please don't think that concentration of salicylic acid itself is 2%. No, it's not that. Salicylic acid and the concentration of salicylic acid plus the concentration of LHA together is 2%. Salicylic acid, which is the BHA used here, it has lesser molecular weight as compared to the LHA, and hence salicylic acid, it goes deeper into the skin to remove the dirt and debris and pollutants from your skin and also to unclog pores, whereas LHA's molecular weight is larger or more than that of BHA, hence it works on the outer surface and it provides a gentle exfoliation. Significance or primary role of a cleanser is to remove dirt, pollutants, impurities from your skin without stripping the natural oils of your skin. As the brand claims that this is exfoliating cleanser, this is exfoliating cleanser, but the exfoliation time is for 1 minute because you will keep this face wash hardly for 1 minute max and then you are washing it off. If you have never used exfoliating acids in your life, then this is the best and milder way to introduce exfoliating acid through a cleanser, because anyways you are going to wash off the cleanser within 1 minute or maximum after 1 minute. So you can build up your exfoliation game with a cleanser, and then when your skin gets accustomed to exfoliating acids, then you can go to a toner or serum. One is sulfate free, silicone free and fragrance free cleanser. Let's talk about the ingredient list. So talking about the actives, of course salicylic acid and the LHA, these two are the actives that they have used. That they have used is capriol, salicylic acid. Now these are the two surfactants that they have used, and the surfactants that they have used are very mild. And of course they will use surfactants because this is a cleanser and you need surfactants to cleanse. But these are the two surfactants, and also they have used humectants. These are the humectants that they have used. The hydrators that they have used, this doesn't allow your skin to dry out. Let's talk about the consistency and the texture of this cleanser. This is a water-based cleanser and the texture is very watery, very liquidy. Either you can directly use onto your damp face, or you can dampen your face, pour onto your damp palm and then lather it and then apply it. I prefer doing the second one. I have mentioned the ingredient list as well as the directions of usage, everything on the back of their packaging. Also you can refer to their website. Talking about this, they have mentioned that you can use this AM and PM. I personally feel it's too much for AM and I don't use this for AM. I apply this on PM. If you're oily skin type like mine, if you're oily, acne prone or combination skin type, this is for you. If you're normal skin type, you can probably use this once a week or twice a week. But if you're dry skin type, I don't think this is for you. So let's summarize the claims of the brand and conclude which of the claims is correct according to me. The first claim that they have is this is a daily use cleanser, which again each to its own skin. If your skin is supremely oily, acne prone skin, and if your skin is already used to exfoliating acids, then probably yes. For me, I don't use this every single day. Honestly, I use this twice to thrice a week and that's it, and the rest 2 days a week I use my salicylic acid serum. I also claims that this is gentle cleanser, which is true. This is gentle cleanser. The third point that the brand does, this is exfoliating cleanser. Of course, this is exfoliating cleanser. This has got exfoliating acids in it. The exfoliation is very mild because the timing that you are exposing your skin to this cleanser is very short. My skin type, it definitely does deep clean, and they have also mentioned that this does not dry out your skin. This does not, which is true. They mentioned that this decongest your pores. Now in 1 minute timing, how much decongestion of pores can we expect? Okay, that's a question. The next thing that they have mentioned is that this does sebum reduction without drying out your skin, which is true. Like, your skin will feel less oily, but it will not get dried out because of the humectants and the hydrators that they have used. So genuinely from my side, I really like this cleanser and I would love to repurchase this cleanser. Yeah, that's all in my today's video. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.